Good morning. I want to make a quick video to show you how I make slideshows of my art so that you can do the same thing. It's a great tool if you want to showcase your work. If you're a young artist, you're looking to get the word out about your portfolio, you can make a 1-minute slideshow, put some music to it, maybe even do a voiceover and share your work that way. Or if you're old like me, or maybe you're just not interested in doing art as a profession, you might want to just do this for fun or to share with the family. Or there is one incident in my life where the church has asked me to demonstrate how I do art. And so they wanted to have some kind of a way to promote my appearance. There's probably going to be 20 people there watching or showing up at the event, but anyway. So I want to show you how I make the slideshow. So you're going to need software. I'm going to be using iMovie, which is an Apple computer program. But let me show you something real quickly. Go to a different screen. All right, now you see this. See, it says results for Clipchamp. So I'm on a Mac, but see, Clipchamp is not for Mac. Clipchamp is for the Microsoft computers, the Windows-based computers. So you see right here, also available to Apple users is CapCut, and here's the one I'm using, iMovie. Canva is available to everybody, by the way, both Microsoft and Mac. DaVinci Resolve, I haven't used that one, but a lot of these are good. You might want to try them. If it's a small price, it might be worth paying it. But iMovie is free, and I think Clipchamp is a free one, but I've never used Clipchamp, just to let you know. All right, so let's go to iMovie. I have it all ready to go. And here is the file that I made of some of my artwork on greeting cards. If you have watched for a while, you know that I paint greeting cards. And so here are some of the greeting cards I've made recently. And what I did was, of course, I took photographs of all the cards and put them into this file here. Now, the way you put them into the file, pretty easy. Let me just get that. And so here's the newest one. And you just grab that and you drag it over and you drop it in. And it should be there. Let's see where it is. So it's going to be right down here when it loads. See that blue square right there? Right there it goes. So now these are all the pictures right here that I'm going to put into my slideshow. So just for the sake, now you can put one in at a time. Let me show you. So let's say I wanted to put the mushroom first and this landscape second. Now they're all the same length. They're all 4 seconds long. You can keep them like that, or you can change the length simply by grabbing the edge of it and making them shorter or longer, okay? But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep them all 4 seconds. So let me get rid of these two, because I want to put them all down at once, just to make this video not so long. So I'm just going to grab all of them, I'm going to drag, make them all highlighted, put them all down here, and now you can see they're all they're all yellow. That means they're all selected. So now I want to take the transitions and I'm going to put a cross dissolve on all of them, but you can put any dissolve and you can put any transition. And the other thing is to note that it'll seem like it moves. You see how it moves there? Well, that's called the Ken Burns effect. You don't have to use that. You can crop to fill, and in fact, let's do a few of them. Let's do them individually. Let's use that one, crop to fill. Let's use this one. Make that one a little bigger like that. Let's make this one a Ken Burns. Ken Burns is a photographer, by the way, who I guess invented that technique. Now you can take that Ken Burns and you can change the size that it starts and then the size that it ends. And you've seen this on my videos before, where I take the pictures at the end of the video and and show the picture that I've worked on in that video. All right, now watch this. When you start it, it goes. You see it's playing now, and you're going to see how it dissolves. You see how it does that? It goes 4 seconds, and then it dissolves. Okay. Let's put a title on here. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab, you know what? Let me grab another one of the pictures that's in here. Go to My Media, and I'm going to take a landscape that shows up later in the picture. How about this one? This one shows up. Whoops, whoops, whoops. We grabbed all of them by mistake. All right, we don't want to grab all of them here. We just want to grab one. So I'll grab that one and put that down here. Now let's just go to that one real quickly. And we'll make it... we'll make this a little bit longer. Make it like 5 seconds long. Then you go to Titles. And I'm going to use this one that blurs it out. And I'm going to call it... watercolor greeting cards. And then down here on the bottom, I'll put by Poppa Paints. That's fun. It's funny how I'm getting people calling me that now. Okay, so here we go. So now it starts here. Let's do another transition so that it fades in from black. And here we go. There it goes. Watercolor greeting cards by Poppa Paints. And then the slideshow will begin. The only other thing we want to add is music. So I go to the audio and video. Now you can pay for music, or you can use the free music that's available on your program. In my case, it's iMovie. Okay. And let's just find some music that we like. Well, let's find something longer. See, our movies our video is 1 minute and 42 seconds long. So let me find something that's longer. No. How about this one? There's a pretty one. Piano ballad. Okay, so let's take that piano ballad and drag it down. See the green? That's all the piano ballad. So there we go. And now the piano ballad music is 1 minute and 38 seconds. So what I want to do is I want to shorten or take out some of these pictures. Maybe I'll take out this one. And maybe I'll take out, let's see if there's one I don't like so much as the others. I don't know. Oh, let me take out that one. Whoops, I think I hit something on my computer. All right, and then these are 3 seconds long, so I'll make them all a little bit shorter. And then I have a file that I use at the end of my...
I don't see an app for that.
Oh.
You'll need to download one.
I don't know what he's talking about. Okay. So now I'm going to look for... Alright. And look for my Poppa Paints slide that I use on all the videos. And... It's called Stinger. Okay, I'm going to put that at the end, and now this is how it'll end, and it'll just go like that. Now, if you don't like the way it looks, like in the video, it's like right there, like this particular one, I don't like the way that looks at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this and stretch this. And what you want to do is you want to review everything in your slideshow. I am doing it quickly for the sake of this video, but just watch your video and tweak it the way you want it. And now it is ready to go. Okay, it's my watercolor greeting cards by Poppa Paints. And what you do is you go and you share it. So share it as a file, and I'm going to call it Poppa Paints greeting card slideshow, and then it will save it as that, okay? And so I can find it. All right, well now it's saving it as that, or it's rendering it as that. So I'm going to end this now, the talking part, and I'm going to show you the final result. But thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments on the bottom. And enjoy your painting. Have fun.